That's why you understand what that
100 turn left.
about, no?
100 turn left.
Turn left. Then turn right.
Very confusing. Turn left.
Turn
So
left,
it's
turn
like
right.
immediately right here.
Right here.
ชายหาด
Turn right.
สระเรียมสระเรียม
น้องตาเฮง beach
น้องตาเฮงบีช Wow if it's not Bobby and Sonam we wouldn't be here I wouldn't be here
3.7 turn
like
left.
that elephant you think that I born in Surin you think that I if it's not foreigner Judy came so we went there if it, we have to thank to the foreigner
Small road.
Well, when we come back here, when we move here, we're going to travel a lot.
Because it's in your country, you think that I will go on one day,
Yeah.
but like then
Yeah.
one day never happens.
You
Huh?
never.
Even in like me, I didn't go all over Thailand. There are so many places to visit.
That's why Doji is doing now huh?
But Doji, she doesn't go to monastery. Never go. Me, I go. Every holiday, I at least try to visit one monastery because you have to climb up 3 hours, 4 hours. So she doesn't like that.
She has knee problem.
I know people that have never even left the county they live in, let alone leave the state. They never
Yeah.
left the county.
Many people. Maybe financial. Like your sister afraid to fly, right?
Oh, yeah, she won't fly.
She will never be able to go anywhere.
What do they?
Go straight.
Only by car.
Straight?
Go straight. Yeah, go straight. 3.1 kilometer.
นี่ร้านอาหารเอง100 เมตร
This school. Yeah, go straight.
Yeah, Bryce Canyon, Utah, and
Not those places, no? Really?
yeah.
You can't believe it. So wonder. Can't imagine how the nature is.
You can tell this flooded here real bad because the road's all messed up.
Oh, the road is bad.
This is flooding like a river
น้อง
ran
ตา
through
เฮ
it.
ง beach เนี่ยน้องตาเฮง ถึงแล้ว
ถึงแล้วใช่ไหม
ก็บอกถึงแล้วนี่ไงน้องตาเฮง
Yeah, bad flooding causes this on roads.
Yeah,
All damage.
Yeah.
flooding. That's why the road now. 600 turn left. Oh, maybe it is.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I think this 500 turn left. Yeah, this area.
We're going to come all the way here to have lunch, and they won't have any
400
lunch.
meters. Turn left.
300 meter turn left. Maybe we can go here. Yes. Uh-huh. Ah, nice, huh?
ถึงแล้วโซนามน้องตาเฮง
Where is the park? England.
น้องตามหาเฮง
I'll bet this is the place that Dave came to, right here.
2 or 3 places like this.
This is the one he came to that does
Oh, really?
the big tube you can float around in the water.
Yeah, we can drive first.
We can see the around first, no?
Yeah.
Then we will decide.
ร้านครัวกลาง Very nice, huh?
My cousin
กันเอง
my
coffee.
cousin have the store and the flood destroy everything. Now they don't have money to do it again, but they have the
ส้ม
the
ต
place remain
ำว้า
because you have to pay no rent like that. Then you build your own,
with the park.
but the water sweep everything. Like you pay 50,000 baht, 60 baht, big. But now they don't have that in money one the best? Did
People
they
are
say
eating there.
which one is the best?
Well, any of these right here on the water.
The best cook?
They all same.
No, they don't.
They cook
Because there's
here
not,
or they cook here?
they cook up and bring it down. But when we sit, they will give you the menu.
สามพี่น้อง
ไอ้ของนั่นน่ะของไอ้แฝดไงเขาเรียกว่าร้านแฝดสาม
Well, there's a lady cleaning there. You want to just go there?
ร้านน้องพร้อมร้านทำผัก
Kind of shakes like a pontoon boat.
โอ้
For people swimming.
Yeah. Go in there and change your clothes. These inner tubes, you can jump on an inner tube and jump in the water and swim around. Or get on these mats right here. And,
that's why they that's why we have to pay because like a lot of thing here
and
you
you
see
can climb
Yeah.
up the ladder and slide down the slide. into the
Ah.
water.
slider here huh that's why 150
You don't know how to swim? No way. Really? So they have life jackets here you can put on. They have little floating toys for the small kids up there that you can get on. They have these inner tubes here. They got fat, medium, and slim. And you can have a dressing room here. You can go inside and change your clothes. Or go up the ladder up here to this deck, and there's a slide to go down in and play. So this is pretty cool. I saw Dave from Got to Love Thailand brought his family. It may have been this place, I'm not sure. I'm told there's more than just this one. But during the summer months, they have a boat or maybe even a ski-doo that pulls a big banana around in the lake, and everybody can ride that. A lot of fun. And this costs 150 baht per hour. And for each hour you add longer, they decrease the amount per hour. So it's a pretty cool place.
Maha Heng Beach
Maha Heng Beach.
in Surin Province Thailand
This is the area that had really bad flooding this year. The roads were really a mess driving in here. You can tell they flooded. So you can order food here, and then they'll bring the food to you. So it's kind of nice. You don't have to bring it. If you want a picnic, just order it here, and they bring it right to you. This is part of our lunch. I don't think it's all of it. Maybe.
Different store, different shop.
Oh, the food comes from different places?
Yeah, different places.
Oh, okay. Tom yum?
No.
ส้มตำ
Som tom. I get those mixed up. Tom yum's a soup.
ส้มต
Som tom.
ำข้าวผัด
This is
Khao
morning
pat.
glory.
ทะเล
Morning glory.
ซีฟู้ด
And somebody asked, what do we use morning glory for?
we can fry or eat fresh
Like that, no?
Fresh.
Salad.
if
As
it's
a
fresh
salad.
So this is what I picked at Bo's garden.
Bose Garden.
Yeah, and
we
somebody
still-
asked me, what do you use that for? Well, I wasn't sure. I just told them that I know we use
We
it for
fry
cooking.
with garlic and oyster sauce.
And you use a lot of garlic and it helps keep the mosquitoes away.
Yeah. Ethiopian.
cheese
Cheese.
Okay, one more. Okay.
we have a good time at Nong Heng Beach how about food is good
The food is really good. It's spicy.
spicy
Spicy.
spicy
Be prepared for spicy.
yeah what do you have ลาบคอหมูย่างตำลาวตำไทยข้าวผัด แล้วก็ผลไม้เต็มไปหมดเลยนะ ยัมมี่เบบี้
Alright, ma.
อร่อยอร่อย
그러전질. 그러전질.
อร่อยอร่อย
팔려오면 그 인터뷰.
Okay, thanks everybody for joining us. Please reach down, mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. This is Bobby and Jai with time to get going.
Out.